Let's go to the next one. So dialogue 4. This is between Abena and Kwame. And by the way, Abena is a Tuesday-born female. And then we have Kwame as a male Saturday-born. Abena says, Kwame, mema wa kwaba. Kwame, mema wa akwaba. We said this is the long form, right? Mema wa akwaba. And I told you could just use akwaba as well. So Kwame says, mema wa akwaba, I welcome you. And then Kwame responds with yeah, nia. I told you nia is a sibling, a brother, a sister. So we use this to respond to someone who is our age mate. So straight up, the moment you see this, then you know Abena and Kwame will be just about the same age bracket, or their friends, or their siblings or whatever. If Abena was old enough to be Kwame's mother, he would have responded with ya ena. But again, if you are not sure, then you could just use the ya and you should be fine. Abena says, me pachel, me ma unsu. Me pachel, me ma unsu. Again, we have me pachel, which is please. We said the long form is me pachel. Me ma unsu is very standard. When someone visits you in Ghana, right after welcoming the person, we usually go on to offer water. Someone comes in, he says, oh, akwaba, oh, Kwame, akwaba. Me ma unsu. It's very standard. If you don't offer someone water when the person visits, it's like you don't really know how to welcome someone. So you offer the water and the person can choose to accept the offer if he or she is thirsty or not. So mema unsuo, we have unsuo as water. And then Kwame says, medase, thanks. Menumbi wo kwan so. Okay? Menumbi wo kwan so. So we have nom, which we said is to drink. But it's in the past tense, that is why we have doubled the final letter, right? I have a lesson on tenses. We said B is some. So minum bi wo kwan so, I drank some on the way. Kwan is the way or a road. So minum bi wo kwan so, I drank some on the way. And this is a standard response. When the person is not thirsty and doesn't care for some water, the person can say, oh, I took some on the way. I drank some on the way. Even if it's not so, the person can use this to decline the offer politely.